Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing and setting up the Amazon Echo Studio. Without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. So this is the Amazon Echo Studio. And there's just a pull tab here on the back. Using frustration-free packaging, you can just open it like that. And we should be able to just rip it open. We should be able to take it out of the box. Now your Echo Studio comes in a bag, it's quite hefty. And then below that there are two pamphlets that Amazon provide for you. And then at the bottom there is a plug adapter. Turn it upside down to do that. The Amazon Echo Studio retails for just under £190 and is Amazon's premium Alexa-enabled smart speaker. Amazon touts its 3D audio capabilities, which include support for Dolby Atmos and Sony 360 reality audio, as well as its capability to play back high-definition audio up to 24-bit quality. It uses 5 speakers pointing in multiple different directions, as well as a bass aperture to create room-filling audio. It can also be stereo paired wirelessly with another Echo Studio. The best way to take advantage of those capabilities is to subscribe to Amazon's Music HD service, which gives you access to high bitrate music and music remixed in 3-dimensional audio formats. If the music isn't mixed in 3D audio, it will use stereospatial enhancement to remix the track on the fly as you listen. If you use an existing music streaming service, Bluetooth, or use the combo 3.5mm mini optical line-in jack, it will use that same stereospatial enhancement to improve your existing music. It also contains an integrated Zigbee 3.0 hub for controlling smart home devices like lights or smart plugs. It can be used as a Dolby Atmos speaker for your supported Fire TV device wirelessly. Supports Amazon Wi-Fi simple setup, which allows fast easy setup of your new device, and contains 7 microphones for voice recognition using the Alexa voice service. So in order to set up this Echo Studio, start by downloading and installing the Amazon Alexa app on your tablet or phone, or you can even use the desktop website. So if you just plug in your device, cable's quite short. Okay, so now it's in. It's just loading. You see that blue light ring? It's just booting up.
Hello, ready for setup? Go to your Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bringing your device online, just a moment.
So as you can see, in this case, our device just automatically set up. It's just telling
Just a moment while I tune your Echo to match the acoustics of this room.
So now it's asking us to match it to the acoustics of the room. So let's do that. This is in the living room.
Your Echo is ready. From now on, even if you move the device, it will automatically adjust to the acoustics of the new space. To experience immersive 3-dimensional audio, ask me to play the best of 3D music.
So anyway, that was set up. So as long as you're signed in to the Alexa app, it should just automatically set up your device for you. If not, just go to the Devices tab on the bottom, hit plus, click Add Device, click Amazon Echo, click the top option, and then follow the instructions. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.